The real barrier to India's development, not just education, but its essence. Uh, Very reason India is still not developed country is this lack of education. It's just not formal education. Formal education, of course, we are missing. Still, it hasn't reached to our rural India, but it is moral, ethical, and spiritual education also. Though we have, all the colleges and schools and degrees and all, but the real upliftment of every citizen is still not there. We just rely on getting marks and degrees and moving ahead and not being efficient and proficient. And on the top, there is a deep rooted corruption everywhere. It is in media, judiciary, politics, and bureaucracy. See everywhere. And because of that, the real development is lacking. And this is the urban centric concentration of development, which is also an eyewash. Half the time, the facilities which we are giving in cities, they are also not working properly. There is poor drainage system, there are pathetic roads and all, and even the health and education is not being reached. But the real development will be when every individual in rural India will be uplifted, where all these core facilities are given. It is just a merely eyewash. Our foundation is not strong, and we are just hoping that we become developed nation. There are so many, like people are really poor people, inside rural India with lack of this education. Education has to be, vocational based. It is not just merely plumbers, carpenters, and electricians, or even in farming. All these vocational based practical training with paid internship should be given by government, so that we nurture very efficient citizens. Those, whatever the job they do, whether they are CEO, whether they are farmer, or even a small paid job, they should do with their heart. They should love their job, because that will happen only if they are good in their job. Otherwise, it's all an eyewash. Every time some shoddy job is done, and any shabby work is done, and our standards are so low because our mind is not in giving good facilities. Our mind is only in making money. Our education is not enough, neither formal education nor vocational training, nothing. So I think our government, and there is no lack of talent in our country. It is a sincerity and willingness of our leadership which should bring all these changes. But our leaders, they just don't want our citizens to be educated. They just want to keep them as vote bank and give all the time freebies. They really don't want to empower them. So it's such a sad thing. And at the same time, they want us to become a developed nation. Have you seen the services are being provided by these? And I don't blame them, because they were not taught what to do properly. So I think our focus has to shift. Vocational training has to be given more importance, and education should not be only formal by giving degrees. It has to be ethical, moral, spiritual, formal education, where we bring very good citizens which take us forward. Then only we'll be a developed nation. So that's my take. If you agree, then please create an awareness. Thank you.